Discover the secret revealed by a professional in aesthetics for a true skin renovation. The magical combination of potato and carrot. This anti-aging natural formula has conquered many with its ability to fight wrinkles and lines of expression, leaving a radiant and rejuvenated skin. Let's start with fresh carrot, a true gem for your skin. This vegetable is an abundant source of antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, two powerful fighters of free radicals. In addition, beta-carotene becomes vitamin A in the body, which stimulates the production of collagen. And as you know, collagen is essential to maintain the elasticity of the skin, which gives you a firmer and younger look. But we cannot forget the equally important role that potato plays in this treatment. This humble tuber is a powerful ally, especially for those with oily skin. Why? Because it helps control the production of oil in the skin, which means less unwanted shine. In addition, the potato juice applied directly to the skin can help reduce dark spots, freckles, and hyperpigmentation. And did you know that cold potato slices are excellent for reducing swelling and dark circles around the eyes? It's like having your own spa at home. Now for the recipe itself. Once you have gathered your fresh ingredients, extract the juice from the carrot and potato and mix them with gelatin powder. Gelatin is rich in collagen, which will further enhance the anti-aging effects of this mask. Heat the mixture in the microwave for a few seconds, making sure that the gelatin dissolves completely. Then let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool a little and reach a pleasant temperature to apply it to your skin. Now, the application. Simply spread the mask evenly over your face with your fingers or with a brush, covering all the areas you want to treat. Although this mixture is not an exfoliant, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week to gently remove dead skin cells and blackheads, revealing a radiant and fresh glow. After letting it act for about 15 minutes, carefully remove the mask, enjoying the revitalizing sensation it leaves on your skin. Share this secret with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love it as much as your neighbors.